So we're going to do some quick ratio questions here. So you may be asked to split a number like 65 into a ratio of 7 and 6. And step one is always to add the parts together so that we can find out what one part is worth. So 7 and 6 is 13. And then step two is divide the total amount of stuff by 13. So that gives us 5. And if you didn't know that, you'd count up in 13s till you got to 65 and you'd realise there's 5 of them. So step two is divide the total by the amount of parts, and that tells us there's 5 per part. Is to multiply the ratio parts by the 5 that we just had. So it's 7 lots of 5 on the left and 6 lots of 5 on the right. So that's 35 to 30. And they should add up to make 65, which they do. Split 54 into 1 to 2. Add the parts to make 3, and then divide 54 by 3. So that tells us that there's 18 per part. And then you multiply the parts out. So here we've got 1 lot of 18 and 2 lots of 18. So that's 18 to 36. And 18 plus 36 makes the 54 we started with. Split 24 into the ratio 1 to 3. Always add the parts. 1 and 3 is 4. Divide 24, the total amount of stuff, by the total amount of parts. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. So each number 1, each one part is worth 6. So on the left we have 1 lot of 6, on the right 3 lots of 6. So that's 6 to 18. And they add to make 24. So it's a good check to see that you've done it right. Split 21 into the ratio 3 to 4. Well, you add the parts. 3 plus 4 is 7. 21 divided by 7 gives us 3. So on the left we have 3 lots of 3. On the right we have 4 lots of 3. So that's 9 to 12. And 9 and 12 makes 21, which is what we started with. Split 36 into the ratio 2 to 1. Well, we add the parts. 1 plus 2 is 3. 36 divided by 3 is 12. So on the left there's 2 lots of 12. On the right there's 1 lot of 12. That's 24 to 12. And 24 plus 12 makes 36. 35 split into the ratio of 5 to 2. 5 and 2 is 7. 35 divided by 7 gives us 5. So on the left is 5 lots of 5. On the right there's 2 lots of 5. So that's 25 to 10. And they add to make 35. You may be given a different presentation in an exam. So we'll do some exam style. Bob and Ethel, love them. They share £88 in the ratio of 4 to 7. How much does Ethel have? Well, she's on the right. She's with the 7 and Bob's on the left with the 4. So add the parts. 4 plus 7 is 11. So 88 divided by 11 is £8 per single part. So Bob's got 4 lots of 8 and Ethel's got 7 lots of 8. So 7 eighths is 56. That's how much she has. And that's the question done. But out of interest, you could subtract that 56 from 88 and prove that Bob has 32. Or you could multiply the 4 by 8 to get 32. Tony and Guy from Hartlepool share 48 marbles in the ratio of 1 to 3. How many more marbles does Guy have than Tony? Well, we have to figure out what he has first. Add the parts, divide down, so each part is worth 12 marbles. Tony has 1 lot of 12, Guy has 3 lots of 12. So Guy must have 2 lots of 12 more, which is 24. Guy has 36 in total, but because the question's asking for how many more he has, give him what they're asking. And the final type is where you're not given the total amount. You're given one person's share of a total, and then you have to work out someone else's share. So Homer and Marge, they've got some money shared in the ratio of 3 to 4, say. So Homer has got $15. How much has Marge got? So Homer's 3 parts are worth $15. So what's 1 part worth? If 3 lots of something is 15, 1 part is 15 divided by 3, which is $5 per part. So Marge must have 4 lots of that, 4 lots of 5. So Marge has got $20. Mario, Luigi and Yoshi share some coins in the ratio of 3 to 2 to 6. Yoshi has got 72 coins, and Yoshi is with the number 6 because of the order of what he was told in the question. How much do the brothers, Mario and Luigi, have in total? Well, 3 to 2 to 6 is Mario to Luigi's share to Yoshi's share. But we know that in 6 shares, Yoshi's got 72 coins. So 72 divided by 6 is 12 coins per part, or per share, per number 1. So Mario's got 3 lots of 12, Luigi's got 2 lots of 12, and Yoshi's got 6 lots of 12. So between the brothers, they've got 60 coins. Simple as that. That's all you'll get at GCSE. Right, thanks for watching. Have a go at some yourself.